Well, the rain is here. The rain is here in Applecross. It's nice to be back in Applecross. And this is our first evening when doing this camping. We're wet through, it's pouring down. I don't think the rain could be much more persistent than this. This is the NC500, folks. You've got to be prepared for a lot of this, as well as the sun. And you keep smiling. We found our spot for the night. We're just on the other side from Applecross, and there's a few motorhomes here, and I'm just in the gap here. There was a spot down there but more levelled, but there was no room. There's some tents up and camping. The rain has really coming down. And there's the pub, I think. I'll just show you, it's absolutely pouring down. I'm getting a bit wet. But look, I've got to say, the motorhomes are out in force this year, without question. It's going to be an interesting night. It's going to be a good night to rest. You know why? Absolutely no phone signal. I got a lot of WhatsApp messages that I haven't replied to, and I still cannot now. It's impossible with a signal. Let's have a look outside over the bay. Yeah, what a fab day today. What an absolute fab day, and felt like I've done so much. We did the walk, we went to the point, the viewpoint place, and we drove the Balak Dabar, whatever you call it, and we've arrived at Applecross. We've covered some ground, and we had a quick look at Loch Ness as well. The NC500 has begun, for sure. This is going to be so exciting. It's going to be so many good days ahead, but we'll just take it. Let's not get ahead of ourselves. Take it one day at a time. Nicely disconnected tonight from the phone, which will be a nice change. But not many nights in my life I spent at Applecross. Only once before, a long time ago. All right, I'm feeling so good. I think the kind of relief is that I'm here. I feel in a safe spot. At the start of the trip, didn't have the same enthusiasm and the energy as the trip in June, but I feel this is coming, the energy's coming, like more of a slower, it's simmering, but it's getting stronger to the boil. This is like the first rainy night that I've had car camping. I feel like we can handle it. I feel so much at peace right now. So much at peace. I'm happy. I'm really happy. I'll just chill now, sort myself out in the car, spend the night, and I'll talk to you in the next video tomorrow when we leave Applecross and we start the next leg of this NC500 trip. An experience of a lifetime, I tell you. If you get a chance to do it, it's not easy, but it can be great, you know, if you're in the right mindset. Okay, peace.